welcome to the Just Add Spice Kitchen. Today we're also making a Kovakka mergurki, and basically it's Tindora stir-fried in some aromatics and some spices. It's very simple, so simple that my husband knows how to do it like perfectly. He loves Tindora, and so I'm going to show you how he's making it. So let's see what you've done so far, babe. You have the mustard seeds in there, you bloom them, you sputter them, pop them in the pot of hot oil. Now you have some onions, garlic, curry leaves, and a green chili. Okay, so he said he's gonna use some turmeric, coriander, and ajwain seeds. And here we have the Kovakka or Tindora. In goes the turmeric. Here's the coriander. He's just eyeballing it right now, and that's the beauty of like these kind of recipes. You can totally just eyeball it, and all you just want is a pinch of that, a pinch. There you go. That's good. And even if you mess up, who cares? Like, you can always do it over or just eat it and correct it the next time. We're going to get all of that mixed and nicely combined. Okay, now he's putting in the washed and clean Tindora, Kovakka. You can get Tindora at any Indian grocery store or Asian supermarket for that matter. So he's mixing all the spices onto that Tindora. It's going to absorb those spices. Nicely coat them. Mixing in that salt. And how this cooks through is a combination of stir frying it with adding a little bit of steam from a dash of water so that you pick up all those brown bits at the bottom, if you can see. It's pretty crusty there at the bottom, which that's how we like it. It's going to build that flavor. And adds a splash of water. And then let it sit there, pick up all those bits from the bottom, and we're going to put the lid on this and let it steam cook or stir fry. And then as it cooks for about 20-25 minutes, we'll add more water if need be until it's tender. You can see that steam has actually given that Tindora a really vibrant green color. It's par cooked right now, so we're going to keep adding some water, letting that water evaporate, and then letting it steam cook within the pot. Pick up all those brown bits. Good job. Do you think this is easy to do?
Now it is.
And where can you find that recipe?
JustAddSpice.com.
Okay, so the Kovakka mergurki is done. Stirring it. Looks really good. Looks tender. Good job, babe.